Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. Cardano is continuing to move here sort of in a small range within this larger retracement area. Yeah, we talked about that already on the weekend, that or even here on Friday we talked about we will most likely get into this area. That was a move from down there to up here of around 10% by now. The point that we now don't know is if we come down once more or we'll move up from here, because with the latest dip, as I already explained in previous videos, the bear market low could be in for ADA. That is definitely a possibility. However, we don't really have a price action signal yet or an evidence for that. The point is that this could be, as I highlighted here in the green wave count, a bullish breakout, but it's not very impulsive yet. And we also haven't broken above the key levels. So what I would want to see as a minimum would be a move above 37.2 cents, but this does not invalidate the bearish pattern. This would only get less likely the bearish pattern above 38.5 cents. So I'm still waiting here for further evidence. At the moment, if we go with the primary count, which would be here the white one, and within the white wave 4, it is the yellow count, then I would argue that there will still be another dip in a fifth wave. And as I explained to you before, an ideal level for that fifth wave would be the 30-cent level. That is the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level of the larger cycle. And at the moment, if I just move the green waves to the side, I see this as an ABC pattern, but with the latest sort of hovering around here, I'm going to move the wave B here, so that we had a wave A up here. This was a wave B, and the wave C is still unfolding here as what I would say at the moment is looking pretty much, well, you could say this is a 1-2 setup only of the wave C, so that the wave C is still pushing higher. That's absolutely possible, and bear in mind, as long as we stay below the 50% retracement, so below the 38.5 cent level, this can very well still be a wave 4. I wouldn't be surprised, because we were so much oversold down here on the daily. If I take a look at the daily chart, you can see that on the RSI we were so much oversold, we've really only just come out of it. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit more of a reaction to the upside. That would be totally normal, and to a degree you would expect it, because the market was so oversold. But it could very well be that this here is just, and let me label that. So we could say just, this was an AB, or, and that doesn't really make a difference, this could also be that wave A in a leading diagonal and the wave B down, and now we're in the C wave, and the C wave is creating or putting in a wave 1, and then an A, B, C here in wave 2, and we could say we're now waiting for the breakout in wave 3. There will be a 4 and a 5 that could finish off the fourth wave here. And I make that yellow just to highlight that it is sort of the same count, right? A, B, C, and in the C wave we've got 5 waves up. So this is where we are at the moment. This could also very easily still be wave 2, which is unfolding, and wave 2 could unfold as a triangle. Not the wave 2 itself, but the wave B within wave 2. So I'll move everything across, because this could move sideways for a bit. ADA likes triangles a lot. So just to show you how this could work, I will delete it afterwards, because we're just getting too much into micro counting here. Wave A down, then a B triangle, and a C down still. Not happened yet, the wave C in this scenario. And we would say that we had an Elliott wave triangle here, just because it's moving sideways for a bit. A, B, C, D, E. And this is where the wave B would top. But, there's speculation at this stage, but it could very well become a triangle in the B wave. At the moment, I would look at it like that. A, B, and the C down here, which was at 35.3 cents. But again, I'm a bit skeptical about it because we haven't really seen if this is a third wave. You should see a breakout above the B wave of 36.5 cents and you should rally. Now we don't really see a rally, so this could very well be this triangle, okay? So just be aware of that. I'll make that yellow as well, and then we can leave that on the chart. Okay, so this is how I think this is the primary count. Well, the alternative would be that we simply replace the A wave with a wave 1, and everything else stays basically the same. So you would say wave 1, wave 2, and another 1, 2 setup, and then also we would follow this, right? So the point is then, if we get the 5 waves complete, what we want to see, we want to see a retracement that isn't very strong, right? Because if you have a 1, 2 setup here and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would really only finish wave 3 up here, and then there will be a 4 and a 5 to the upside, and that should take us actually higher. It should take us above this 38.5 cents if we are in the green bullish wave count, and that's simply what we need to see. Don't know that yet. I think there is a potential to max out the orange area here, but now because we are in the area, we need to be ready. It could also turn down at any moment, and that would be rather confirmation for the bearish count, which is actually still the primary expectation because we don't have evidence yet that the trend is shifting here on the chart. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.